Hi student. Now let's start next lecture, lecture number 9. Topic organometallic chemistry and subtopic nomenclature and classification of organometallic compounds. Now let's see nomenclature of organometallic compound. When organometallic compound is just simple compound, then in that case the name of organic group is first, which is followed the name of the metal. Now here example is CH3Li, where CH3 is a organic group. So name of organic group is first and then name of metal ion. So organic group followed by name of metal ion. So this is the example: methyl lithium, diethyl zinc, ethyl magnesium bromide, and so on. So nomenclature of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound is organometallic compound. Now the compound which contain carbonyl as a ligand, they are called as a metal carbonyls. In this case, metal has zero oxidation state, hence it is not mentioned. Example is tetracarbonyl nickel here. Now here carbonyl is acting as a ligand. 4 carbonyl group get attached with nickel, hence tetra word is there. Tetracarbonyl nickel. Then second one is a decacarbonyl dimanganese. Di word is because there are 2 Mn, hence di, and deca stand for the word for 10 digits. So for 10 decacarbonyl dimanganese. Now as here 9 carbonyl attached with Fe to Fe, so hence nona word is there, and so on. If the ligand is acting as a bridge between two metal atoms, the word mu is written before their name, and this mu word is repeated before the name of each kind of bridging ligand. We take example here. Now here carbonyl is acting as a ligand, one cobalt and second cobalt should be here, which is not get written by mistake. So should we consider cobalt here? So there are 2 cobalt, hence this word is there. Here should be 1 cobalt. The name of this bridging ligand, where this central CO2, that is there 2 carbonyl group acting as a bridge, hence di word. As they are acting as a bridge between 2 cobalt, mu word is there, and as they are ligand carbonyl and bis one, because there are 2 cobalt, and these are the tricarbonyl, stand for 3 carbonyl attached with cobalt. So hence the name of bridging ligand is di mu carbonyl bis tricarbonyl cobalt. Now similar here, tri mu carbonyl bis tricarbonyl ion. Now here these carbonyl group, CO3 group, is acting as a bridge between these 2 Fe ion. Hence as there are 2 Fe, hence the word bis is there. As 3 carbonyl, hence word tri. And as these 3 carbonyl acting as a bridge between these two, hence the suffix mu is there. So this is the nomenclature where ligand is acting as a bridge. When the metal carbonyl contain metal-metal bond, they get classified into 2 types, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. The symmetrical metal carbonyls are named by the use of multiple prefixes such as bis, tris, etc. But in case of unsymmetrical metal carbonyls, one of the central metal ion and its ligand overall acting as a one ligand for another central metal ion. जेव्हा कार्बोनिल मेटल मेटल बॉन्ड कार्बोनिलमध्ये प्रेझेंट असेल तेव्हा ते 2 क्लासमध्ये डिवाइड होतात, सिमेट्रिकल आणि अनसिमेट्रिकल. सिमेट्रिकलमध्ये नॉमेनक्लेचर करताना प्रिफिक्सेस जसे की bis ट्रिस वापरले जातात, पण अनसिमेट्रिकलच्या वेळेस मात्र 2 अनसिमेट्रिकल म्हणजे काय, तर दोन्ही मेटल आयन वेगवेगळे असतील. त्यातला यांच्या नॉमेनक्लेचरच्या वेळेस एक मेटल आयन आणि त्याचे लिगॅंड हे दुसऱ्या मेटल आयनसाठी लिगॅंड म्हणून ऍक्ट होतील. नाव हिअर एक्झाम्पल, this is a simple symmetrical one where both metal ion is cobalt, hence the word bis, because they are 2, and tetracarbonyl has 4 carbonyl acting as a ligand, hence this is the simple bis tetracarbonyl cobalt is a symmetrical name of symmetrical metal carbonyl bond. Now in case of here cobalt and rhenium, these are the 2 different metals. In this case unsymmetrical metal carbonyl compound, this cobalt and the ligand of this cobalt is 4 carbonyl group. This overall acting as a ligand for second one, that is for rhenium. Hence name of this compound is given as pentacarbonyl. Penta 5 carbonyl attached with rhenium. Tetracarbonyl cobaltio. Now this group is acting as a one of the ligand for rhenium, and the central metal ion is again rhenium. So name of unsymmetrical metal carbonyl compound is pentacarbonyl, tetracarbonyl, cobaltioarenum. Now nomenclature of a sigma and pi bonded ligands. To distinguish sigma bonded and pi bonded ligand, the notifications such as sigma and pi are used. We take example, for example, in case of cyclopentadiene C5H5, it is referred as sigma C5H5 when it get attached with only one carbon atom. Here ligand lithium C5H5 twice, it behave as a one carbon bonded ligand. As it is one carbon bonded ligand, hence sigma word is used there. Sigma symbol is used there. However, when it behave as a 5 carbon bonded, जेव्हा C5H5 मधले पाचीच्या पाची कार्बन ॲटम हे मेटल बरोबर बॉन्ड फॉर्म करतील, तेव्हा मात्र त्याला रेफर केलं जाईल pi C5H5. Example, C5H5, that is cyclopentadiene attached with Fe. Similarly, alkyl group referred as a sigma alkyl when it is bonded with one carbon atom, pi alkyl when it bonded with more than one carbon atom. For unsaturated molecule or group, the prefixes hapto is used. We take example, when it is one carbon bonded atom, only single hapto is written there. But if there are more than one carbon atom get bonded with ligand, then the number of that carbon atom is written upon the hepto. So हेप्टोच्या डोक्यावरती जो काही आकडा असेल तो इंडिकेट करेल तितके कार्बन ॲटम अटॅच आहे. We take example FeC5H5 twice where say cyclopentadiene attached with Fe bis N5, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ होतो की पाचीच्या पाची कार्बन Fe बरोबर अटॅच झालेले आहेत आणि cyclopentadiene is the ligand, iron is the central metal ion. Bis word is because two C5H5 get attached. Now classification of organometallic compound. Organometallic compound can be classified into three types depending upon the metal carbon bond. First one, sigma bonded compound. In this type, simple sigma bond is present between metal and carbon. Example, Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide, tetraethyl zinc. Simple one. Now second one is a pi bonded compound. When the compound there is a bonding between metal and cloud of delocalized electron of organic compound, then we called as a pi bonded. This is a pi bonding and hence the compounds are called as a pi bonded compound. Example is ferrocene, म्हणजेच Fe attached with cyclopentadiene, 2 cyclopentadiene. That is the example of pi bonded compound. Now this is the pi bonded organometallic compound. This is ferrocene where Fe get attached with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon of one cyclopentadiene and second cyclopentadiene. Now this is the second example where chromium get attached with 2 benzene rings, 6 carbon of one benzene ring and 6 carbon of another benzene ring. So when third one is a multiple bonded compounds. Multiple bonded compounds are there where the multiple bonds such as sigma as well as pi bonds are present between metal and carbon atom, then it is called as a multiple bonded compound. Example, metal carbonyl is the best example where sigma as well as pi bonds are present, and this is the example dimeric cobalt carbonyl. All the carbonyl compounds are come under the headings of multiple bonded compounds. Now thank you for watching videos. Most of the videos related to nomenclature and classification of organometallic compounds are available on the internet. Go through that and get clear your ideas. So thank you so much.